Well, this morning we are out here at Greenbush where we are learning about not only some fun activities to do, but we're talking about Big Brothers Big Sisters, which is a wonderful organization. And this morning I'm joined by Emily Roth, who is the Camp and Enrichment Coordinator here at Greenbush. Emily, I know you are a big, and you're involved in the organization. Can you tell me about Haley, your little?
Absolutely. So Haley and I, we've been matched for about 3.5 years. We started out when she just graduated kindergarten. She's now in 4th grade, which is really exciting. But we like to do a lot of random things together. We like to make pancakes. We go to gymnastics every week. We like to go on hikes or walks or bike rides. So she is a ball of energy.
That's so much fun. I mean, when did you decide that being a big was something you were up to do?
So one of my really good friends was actually a big, and she kept talking about it and kept talking about it, and eventually I thought, you know what, that's something that I think I can do as well, and something that I would enjoy doing. So in around August, I talked to Cassidy and asked her, what do I need to do to become a big?
Yeah.
That's how it all started.
That's fantastic. And you know, a lot of people, when they hear about Big Brothers Big Sisters or organizations like it, they think, oh my gosh, it's such a time commitment. And I know that can fluctuate based on their schedule, your schedule, and ultimately it's just knowing that you're a presence in their lives, right?
Absolutely. There have been times in the last 3.5 years that I've met with Haley once a week, twice a week, sometimes every other week, and depending on work and life, at times it's once a month. But you really just have to figure out, like you said, what works out for you and what works out for your little and their family.
And when it comes to the activities you guys do, I mean, sure, you can go to a baseball game, you can do things that cost money, but sometimes even the simplest activities are really fun, and that's what we're doing here today, correct?
That's exactly what we're doing here today. So we've got this recycled bottle. I have a funnel and a beaker because we're in a science center, but you can use like a cup or a piece of paper that's rounded, make your own funnel at home. We've got some baking soda and some vinegar. And what we're going to do is we're just going to see how big one of these balloons can expand.
Well, this is crazy. This is science, isn't it?
This is science.
And you've made me look like Joseph in the Amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat in the process.
Why wouldn't you want to look like that,
No,
right?
I've wanted to for a long. Last time I was here, you gave me a white science coat, which was wonderful, but I feel like we've upgraded.
This is an upgrade, absolutely. And apparently it has all these colors have come from all of our failed science experiments, so we've perfected it right here.
All right, well, we are going to be doing these experiments and activities with Emily to just see what kind of things you can do with the big or little in your life. So Emily, don't go anywhere. We're going to keep doing these this morning, but we will be right back after this.